Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Eid Mubarak. Brothers and sisters, what a day for JMCN today. Look at the field, look around you, look this sea of the people that are present here today. We as a Muslim, we are proud of ourselves, wherever we are. Not in our own country, not in our own native world. This is our country too, but not in our birthplace where Muslims are majority. We are proud to be Muslim in North America. We are proud to be Muslims in New York City. Our presence here says that, our presence here declares that we Muslims, we are here to stay, we are here as a force, we are here as a strength. All the elected officials, we express our thanks for your presence. And all the Musallis, we are thankful to Allah that Allah gave us 30 days of fasting and gave us a beautiful day today to come pray together. We are planning to pray separately in 3 Jama'ah, but Allah gave the good weather, we could come to the field. And we are all together in one Jama'ah. May Allah accept all of us, that we all be raised in Day of Judgment together as all the JMC Muslims. Brothers and sisters, JMC is not just a mosque. JMC is a center, is an institution, is an organization that doesn't give space for prayers only. It produces huffaz, it produces Islamically spirited and educated students. We have a Hafiz school, madrasa. We have a high school up to 12th grade where we have 400 students growing from pre-K to 12th grade, and lots of them are going to very highly rated colleges, becoming doctors, engineers, lawyers, businessmen, all kind of professionals. Brothers, this is the pride of JMC, that we are doing it together with your help. You are the one who is the owner of JMC. You are the one who are the patron of JMC. Your presence, your support is the only way JMC can go forward. JMC has a lot of rooms to expand. We have some vision that this center that we have is not enough for us. This space is not sufficient. What can we do about it? We are thinking to see if we can expand this space. So you need your help, your support, your suggestions. Everything will be needed in future, brothers. We are running out of time. As you can see, lots of people are coming. If you look at your right, you can see hundreds and hundreds of people are coming. So that's why you are taking a couple of minutes extra. We wanted to do it at 9:30 sharp. But since this is going to be only one Jama'ah, we want to give them few more minutes so that they don't miss the Jama'ah. Please, brothers, be passionate with us. Weather is giving us a good favor.